Facing issues with WhatsApp notifications not showing up after locking your iPhone? Don't worry, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to solve the problem. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Try airplane mode turn on and off. Make sure to turn off the do not disturb mode. Solution 1. Check notification settings. First, open up the settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap notifications. Now tap show previews. Make sure to choose always or when unlocked here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the allow notifications. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. Next, make sure to enable lock screen, notification center, and banner alerts. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on WhatsApp notification settings. It will redirect you to the app notification settings. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if the issue persists, tap reset notification settings here. Tap reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. And that's a wrap. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Got any questions or video ideas? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.